Let's enjoy the rhythm of foro, maracatu, and samba, and also the aroma of peixada alagoana, because we're taking you on a whirlwind tour of Maceió, the paradise city nestled in the tropical heart of Alagoas, Brazil. First up, 3 cultural facts. 1. Maceió is known for its vibrant folk dance, the maracatu. 2. It's a city that thrives on the pulsating beat of foro, a genre of Brazilian music. 3. It's famous for its traditional handcrafts and delicate lacework. Now for the weird and wonderful. 1. Maceió residents are called Maceioenses. Try saying that really fast. 2. It's home to the Cemitério dos Caixeiros, a curious cemetery where only merchants and their families are buried. 3. It has the largest collection of Brazilian northeastern art. And for the icing on the cake, this amazing city is home to 1 million people, all living and breathing the vibrant culture of Maceió. Curious for more? Then follow me, Mr.Gurgel, as I continue to explore this rich, diverse world we live in. Until next time, keep the spirit of adventure alive.